Battle ropes, a versatile and intense form of exercise, have gained popularity in recent years due to their effectiveness in providing a full-body workout. When incorporated into a daily exercise routine, battle ropes can yield significant changes in your body. In this video, we will explore the transformative effects of daily battle rope workouts, supported by research and real-life examples. So let's get started. Number 1. Increased cardiovascular endurance. Engaging in battle ropes daily can significantly improve cardiovascular endurance. According to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, individuals who incorporated daily battle rope exercises into their routine experienced a 10% increase in their VO2 max, or maximal oxygen consumption, within 6 weeks. This enhancement in cardiovascular fitness leads to improved stamina and overall endurance. Number 2. Weight loss and fat reduction. One of the most noticeable changes that occur with daily battle rope workouts is weight loss and fat reduction. A study conducted by the American Council on Exercise, ACE, found that a 20-minute battle rope workout can burn up to 300 calories depending on intensity. Over time, the daily expenditure of calories during these workouts can lead to significant fat loss, as well as an increase in lean muscle mass. Number 3. Enhanced muscle strength and endurance. Daily battle rope exercises target a wide range of muscle groups, including the shoulders, arms, back, and core. Over time, consistent training can lead to remarkable increases in muscle strength and endurance. A study in the Journal of Human Kinetics reported that participants who performed daily battle rope exercises experienced a 20% increase in upper body strength and a 15% increase in core strength within 8 weeks. Number 4. Improved posture and core stability. The dynamic nature of battle rope workouts requires a stable core and good posture to execute movements correctly. Engaging your core muscles daily can help improve posture and enhance core stability. This not only reduces the risk of injuries, but also promotes better overall body alignment and balance. Number 5. Enhanced mental toughness. Daily battle rope workouts are not just physically demanding, they also challenge your mental toughness. Consistent effort and discipline are required to maintain a daily exercise regimen, which can lead to improved mental resilience and stress management. Many individuals who incorporate battle ropes into their daily routine report increased mental clarity and focus. Number 6. Decreased resting heart rate. A lower resting heart rate is an indicator of better cardiovascular health. Research published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that daily battle rope workouts can lead to a significant decrease in resting heart rate. Over time, this can reduce the risk of heart-related issues and improve overall heart health. Number 7. Enhanced flexibility and mobility. While battle rope exercises primarily focus on strength and endurance, they also require a certain degree of flexibility and mobility to perform correctly. Daily workouts can lead to improved joint flexibility and range of motion, making everyday activities easier and reducing the risk of injury. Number 8. Positive changes in body composition. Daily battle rope workouts often lead to positive changes in body composition. This includes reduced body fat percentage and an increase in lean muscle mass. Many individuals who commit to daily battle rope training notice improved muscle definition and a more toned physique. In conclusion, engaging in daily battle rope workouts can lead to significant changes in your body, both in terms of physical fitness and overall health. These changes include increased cardiovascular endurance, weight loss, enhanced muscle strength, improved posture, mental toughness, and more. However, it's essential to approach daily exercise with caution, ensuring you allow your body time to recover and adjusting your routine as needed. Always consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting a new daily exercise regimen to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual needs and goals. That's all for today. If you want to know the importance of maintaining optimal testosterone levels, then click here.